the parallel postulate, if there's a line and a point, like this P, not on a line, then there is exactly one line through point P that will be parallel to L, just one. And the perpendicular postulate is similar. If there's a line and a point, not on a line, then there's exactly one line going through that point that will be perpendicular to the given line. Now, when they're parallel, you should see the symbols like this. If there's more than one parallel set of lines in a diagram, then you're going to see like 2 parallel symbols or 3. And if something is meant to be perpendicular, you should see a little red box on one of the sides indicating that it is perpendicular. So let's look at this diagram here, which is a lot of stuff going on. And it asks us to name a pair of parallel lines. Well, I see CE line and BF line, and they do look like they're parallel by eyesight, but there's no symbols on them marking them parallel. So I cannot just assume that they are parallel. But if I look at this line here, DM, and this line here, EF, I see these parallel symbols. There's 2 of them. So I will be able to say that line DM is parallel, there's my symbol for a parallel line, to line EF. You do want to use the line symbols, even though right here we're showing rays, we do want to use the line symbols in our answer. Now it asks for a name of perpendicular lines. Well, this one, these all look like they're perpendicular, but there's only one of them that is marked perpendicular. Now you're going to learn something else about this in a later chapter, but as for just right now, I can tell that this line here, BMF, this line that has a B and M and F in it, let's call that line BF. Line BF is going to be perpendicular. Now the perpendicular symbol is an upside down T. BF is perpendicular to line DM. And then it asks me, well, is line EF parallel to line AC? Well, if you continue this line out and you continue that line out, you can tell that they would intersect and they're not the same distance apart. For instance, from here to here is very short, but from here to here is very, very long, and parallel lines will be the same distance apart and they will never intersect. So this is a no. And the reason behind that is the parallel postulate. There can only be one line parallel to FE through point M, so that one will not work.